face melting solo. It's good. Why don't I show you guys the dude who makes my awesome metal music? How about that? Because he deserves some love. He did all the instrumentals for, you know, my metal cover songs and the Kenneth that you just heard. He does a solo on Castle Darkness. Oh wait, no. That was Castle Darkness. Kenneth, he wrote. Castle Darkness, he did the solo you heard right there. And I don't know how to say his name. Because it's Ljupco. Ljupco. Check him out. This is his Fiverr. Nope. This is his message to me. This is his Fiverr. There we go. Stefanowski. Yeah, this dude. He shreds. He also is working a lot. Yeah, so if you're looking for metal music, hit me up, I'll hook you up. I also offer my services for singing and screaming. If you have a song you want to come out with and you just can't do the vocals, or if you just need a screamer and you want to sing, or if you just want to hear a metal version of a song and you just want it, or you need some background music for your TikTok or whatever. Yeah. It's good for everything. So, hello everybody. Good day. Whatever time it is for you in your world, it is 11:06 for me. I stream from 11 to 1 with varying degrees depending on if I'm on a roll or if I'm tired. Goes one way or the other, right? Name's Scott V. Adrian. I am a website programmer, specifically WordPress programmer. I've been doing it for 15 years, web programmer in general for about 20. I also wrote sci-fi fantasy novel, Orbem. That's the theme of most of my social media. It's pretty much the only reason I'm on social media, or have a YouTube or a Twitch, or do any of this, is because of this series, which is the Harmonian Chronicles series. You can see here on Amazon it's available, and book 2 is actually in pre-order and ready to go, so that's cool. And yeah, that should be out July 1st. Like I said, you can pre-order it now. And yeah, book 1 has an audiobook, a Kindle, it has a paperback, and yeah, it's available in all formats for you. But we're not here for the book. We're here for the video game. That's what I'm streaming. I'm streaming the development of Orbem Explorer. You can see this is the main character from the cover of the book. And I'm trying to create a standalone video game, RPG style, inspired by the series, following the story of the series, more or less. Much more extensive, I'm guessing, because I'll be creating a lot of interactions and puzzles and bad guys, and yeah. But more or less inspired. I even want to use the audiobook narration for some of the cutscenes, you know? Because why not? I already have it. And, yeah. Before website programming, I was a professional piercer for about 10 years. So before and during for a little bit. And yeah, worked in Hollywood for a couple years in Echo Park, a couple years Studio City, various shops, piercing everyone and everything. And also, all the music you hear in the background are from either my old bands or my current music that I'm recording inspired by Orbem. And or just stuff that people have let me, you know, use in my stream because it's me recording on it. I'm in every song that you hear on the stream. Unless it's an instrumental, then whatever, I commissioned it. So yeah, if anything you like, go ahead and hit me up. I'll tell you where you can find it. Most of it's available online. Some of it's not. Some of it's just old. Like this one is, I think, available on Reverb Nation for free, you know. I just have it. Let's translate the name, my old band. And that's the intro. I'm getting pretty quick with the intros. Just in case somebody's watching this for the first time, obviously. But feel free to skip. And yeah, I had an announcement to make that's left to me. Yeah, I already mentioned I finished the first run of the developmental editing feedback for Myropelia Book 2. And now I'm just kind of going over the global notes, which I'm getting through them. Some of them are a little bit more tedious to rewrite because they kind of touch a lot of the book, like little spots I have to remove, you know, characters and stuff like that. And an update on my pool. I know you're all, you know, eagerly awaiting updates on my fucked up pool endeavors. So you know, I told you I blew the PVC pipes up because I didn't winterize it, and I rebuilt the entire intake systems from the skimmers and the main drain, which involved a lot of fucking cuts. I mean, I had to put together 3 screw-on ends, 3 elbows, 3 one-way valves, 2 T-bar, you know, T-pipes, coupling, and then another 90. A lot of cuts just to make this one section that blew up. And yeah, fixed it, got it screwed on. Hands are messed up, mentioned that before. Primed it today and actually got water running from the pool to the motor again. And that's as good as it got. And then everything went downhill. First off, every time I got it running, I found a new area I had to tighten. Whatever. That all worked. And then I start hearing water rushing. once the water starts going, I start hearing water hitting the floor. And I look at the old sand filter, and it had also exploded apparently. The entire dome had 3 massive cracks. Like, it basically cracked like an egg. All the fiberglass completely destroyed. And it's just water rushing out. So I had to turn it off. 1 step forward, 2 step back. So I had the pleasure of ordering a brand new filter on top of what I already had to order, which is a brand new heater, because the heat exchange completely rusted out. And in Michigan, you need a heater. Otherwise, you can't use your pool. It's a big pool, so I had to get a big heater. And I had to get a big filter. So, you know, big means expensive, so not very happy, but I am happy to replace the old sand filter. It was going to need replacing eventually because it was spitting sand into the pool. Because it's just old. And I've never used a sand filter before, you know. I mentioned my dad was a pool contractor, so I spent a lot of time helping him and stuff. But when I built my own pool in Burbank, in California, I had a DE filter. It's a, what is it? Di something earth. What's DE stand for? It's it's diatomaceous earth. I'm saying that wrong. Anyways, it's made up of seashells, like ground up seashells, the material that you use for these filters. And what happens is it's got a bunch of plastic like sheets. They're kind of bent and they go into like the spiral, and they're all set up, standing up. And you use this DE, this crushed up seashells basically. You pour it into the skimmer, and it ends up coating the filter, making it super fine. So it can pick up, you know, algae, like really fine particulates, bacterias, and really fine particulates. So it's very effective as a filter. So I was able to get rid of the sand filter, which I'm sure sand filters are good, but DE's they're just newer and better technology. So I got one of those, which is great. That'll be awesome. I'm very happy to start getting the pool back into use. New filter comes tomorrow. New heater comes Friday. It's gonna be a lot of work to install these things. I don't have to cut all the old pipes, dump the old filter and old heater somewhere until I can do a junk pickup, and then install the new ones. And you know, I'm doing it all myself. None of it's like rocket science. It's just a lot of manual labor. I'm extremely sore right now from all the work I have been doing on it. But it's probably good for me. Otherwise, I'm just sitting down all day, right? So yeah, get that going. That's the pool update. Hey, I might be swimming this weekend. Shit, who knows? Kids will be happy. Summer's, you know, popping up. It's getting hot. And it's a big-ass pool. And when we're talking 35,000 gallons, twice the size of my, I think it's like twice the size of my pool back in Burbank that I built, which is like a 15 by 33 foot rectangle. Very nice pool. I mean, I did Pebble Tech, and see, we're talking about pools today. Anybody interested in pool contracting? Yeah, after going through the entire process of building a pool from scratch, an in-ground pool, not above ground. You know, getting the fucking the earth excavated, and then, you know, doing all the grading, putting the shotcrete in, and you know, all the plumbing, all the electrical, fucking that didn't exist before. I mean, it was just a normal backyard with plants and shit before. And then, yeah, then doing the hardscape. The hardscape doubled the cost of the entire project. All the stuff around the pool. We did giant pavers, like big ol' 1 foot by 1 foot pavers. And then the Pebble Tech. Had to go for the Pebble Tech. It's lower maintenance as far as cleaning's concerned. Oh, and longevity-wise. It's just more expensive. But it's really nice on the feet. It's not like scratchy like concrete. It's like little glass beads on your feet. It can still cut you up if you smash into it, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, that pool was only 7 feet deep on the deep end. And the shallow end, we had a Baja Reef, like a secondary area that was only like a foot deep, which is cool for the kids. And we had 2 built-in, I had them do in the Baja Reef, 2 umbrella holes, so you can put umbrellas in the pool. That was cool. I love the beginnings of my streams. They're so random. Anyways, my point was, the new pool here in Michigan, it's an indoor pool, which is cool. It's a separate building. It's not connected to the house. So it's, you don't have to worry about wind, evaporation, you know what I mean? So when you can get it heated pretty quickly, but it's 10 feet deep, minimum. I mean, it's fucking deep. And to like 3 feet deep. But it's probably 40 feet long and like 20 feet wide. It's massive. It's kind of a circular shape though. Needs some tile love. The waterline tile's kind of worn away. There's a lot of work to be done in that area. But I want to get it running, and just clean and warm so everybody can use it. And then we can worry about all the good looking stuff later. I'm selling my Burbank house, by the way. Yeah, I've had it this whole time. We've been renting out the back house and stuff, but yeah, we're finally selling it. Should be nice. Be good to get out of that. Renting sucks. Okay. So, what are we working on? The main thing we're working on here is finishing the fucking modifier logic for gear. So when we left off yesterday, pretty much got everything working. I got this equipped, got this equipped. Wait, this is not equipped? Wait, this is equipped? So far, so bad. Why is it only at 100 if this is equipped? Hold on. Hold, please. Ah. I left off with an error. What was going on? I was working on something before we left. Check equipped gear. If so, change. Check if it's equipped. Change it's unequipped. Yeah. So wait, what was I trying to do? Get the array keys. Boop. Of the current array. Right, because that's the item. Right? Yeah, check that and do that. Okay. So that's sure. Oh, but if it doesn't exist, why wouldn't it exist? I don't know. Well, let's see what array keys current array is before we start troubleshooting nonsense. Where is mine? Oh, that's right. This is part of the API response. Let's check here. Dupe. Underwear. Equipped. Why is this equipped? Explore storage 32. Oh. Whoops. It's not this that's broken. Okay. Same shit. Why? Well, let's see why. Turn array. Yeah, alright. See what that's about. Alright. So we got 1520. And then we got array. It's 0. Yeah, 1456. Perfect. And then we got 50. That's weird. It's only doing it once. Break. Wait, that's not the right word. How tired was I last night? Jesus. That's the last statement. What do you mean it's not the last statement of the loop? Oh. Maybe it is not right. Well, what I don't want to happen is the loop and then it loops. Oh. Yeah. I agree with you. IDE, you're right. Good looking out. Alright, well this is still wrong. So what the fuck? Array key 0. So what we getting here? I mean, I guess I should just check if it is an array first, but technically I'm pretty sure these should always be an array. I assert that. In my face. Array 0. 0. So why the fuck are you coming up as array key 0? Does not exist. Like, who are you? You're wrong. Okay, I guess we could just do this then. And array. And do strict. Okay. I'll do this. Boop. True. Oops. True. And alright, boop. Haystack is that. So let's go boop. Boop. You expected what? What is going on? An array. Mixed. Needle. Yes. Then it goes array. Haystack. Yes. Then strict. Yes. so this is correct. So what the fuck are you? Who the fuck are you fucking with? Oh, too much. Got it. There we go. Yeah, correct. Alright. Well, let's see if this works. It does not. What? Am I still? Oh. Yoink. So wait. Was that correct except for the word dump? Yes. The other one's not correct though. So let's do the same thing. Alright, an array. Boop. But in this case, it's item. Boop. Wait, what? That was wrong. Wait, what? The hell did I just copy? That is not even the right function, dude. There we go. There we go. And now it's just item. Right? Item. Yes. There we go. I like it. Except for this. Yes, okay. So let's see if that onload error goes away now. It does not. 792. I don't know what file it's looking at. Oh, shit. What is this? Oh, current gear. Ah, I forgot about this one. Maybe that's why it's not working. So yeah, it's this type. If it's an array, do this. It's the gear amount. Array value. Oh, okay. The same shit. Why would that not be right? What am I missing? As pop and then alright. Well, I don't know. How else? I guess just that. Yeah. Alright. Boop. And a doop. And a boop. Still says equipped. Boop. Okay, now it makes sense. Boom. So that's equipped. Wow, 120. So now the other one is 10 points. So if I equip this one, boop, it goes up 10. What just happened? And we know the only problem now. Oh wait, it worked. I guess that's not a problem. Cool. I'll take it. Okay. It's equipped. Now if I unequip, Will it unequip? Both. Yeah, unequip. Yeah, unequipped. Nice. Very nice. Oops. Okay. So that's the problem. Is it deleting it when I unequip? It's not. So that's why it's fucking up. Look at that. Just accept the... Okay, so unequip isn't working. Good to know. This is never gonna end. Alright. So if it equips. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So if unequip is true, pay attention. If unequip is true and this shit is not correct, that will not work. That is pointless. Okay. This will not work. That's not how this works anymore. What I need to do is do an array search for the ID, get the position, and then unset the position, which could be 0 or 1 in this case. So equip position. If it looks weird while I'm typing, it's because I'm so far away from my keyboard. I guess I could bring my wireless one, but yeah, that fucks up on my trackpad. It's fine. Alright. Let's array search this bitch. Needle is going to be item ID. Haystack's going to be this. Called dish. Okay. And that should return our shit. Oh, item ID is not spelled that way. Ooh, that is not correct. Come on, dude. Don't you know coding standards, you fucking idiot? Okay. Item ID. Yes. We got the position now. So now we'll do equip position. I guess I could check if it exists. Let's see. What was the return if it's false? Is it just false? False. Yeah. Wait, why would it be a string? That gives us the key for the deal. If it's found. If needle is found on haystack. Okay, we're gonna be. Wait. What? Wait, does array search only do to return the keys for all matching values? Use array keys with the optional search value parameter instead. No, I'm okay with that. Alright, here we go. I think this will work now. If I'm correct. Though I think I need to start over. Because database is all fucked up now. Anybody bored? I don't really get any feedback, you know? Getting plenty of new subscribers and stuff, but not a lot of feedback on the content, the context of the content. Yeah, I need to make a long form video at some point, just kind of doing a full introduction of the channel and what I'm doing, you know, I can put that as the main video of the channel too. Oh, I did make a recent update to the YouTube channel. Somebody might notice. Some people, some of you who are watching right now might have noticed. I changed my profile image. Boop. So, to this. Yeah, here, let's get a close-up. Because I also updated the image here. And ta-da! Oh yeah, that's good. 6 years of high volume photo retouching. And it looks a little uncanny. But yeah. I now have, you know, I needed to change the profile channel. Let me tell you. So, the Orbem Order YouTube channel was originally a music. You can probably notice it has a little music symbol by it because it's my band, the Orbem Order. It's my music channel that you know, CD Baby distributes to when it's doing music. So I had a picture I commissioned of my characters in like a band photo, which is the one that was on there before. But obviously the channel has evolved. It's become more of my hub for my streams and my shorts content. So I figured I needed to put me in the profile photo, so it wouldn't be so confusing when people are looking. I mean, I didn't even like put the logo for Orbem Order. It was just a random group of people, basically, because it's so small you can't tell. So yeah, excuse me. I yeah, updated it to this, and I thought it was funny looking. So now you know. I might change some of my other channels too. I don't know. You know, when I was first starting as an author, I didn't want, like, to put myself out there as the author. Because I figured, you know, whatever. It's, people will like the book, and if they like the book, they'll like the book. And they'll tell people and blah, blah, blah. And, you know, but as I started marketing, it was getting harder and harder to disassociate myself with the creation of the book. You know, like talking about myself in the third person and having to, you know, make everything not my name. Yeah, I don't regret having Orbem Order as everything. It's just that, you know, now, just like everyone was telling me when I was going through marketing teams and you know, editors, you gotta sell yourself technically as an author, because you're not the book, right? You're the creator of the book. So, you know, if you have to market every single book as a standalone, like as if it comes from a completely different person, like a brand new author, you're gonna have a hard fucking time. But if you gain a following, you gain notoriety, awards, you know, all these things that add up when you release a book or a book series, then all your work in the future becomes much easier when it comes to reaching an audience, right? Because you have this background of past success that people will notice and be like, oh, well, I already know that, you know, this book did well, or I like this book, so now I'll read, you know, another book in the series or another series from the same author. And you can't do that if you completely disassociate the author with the book. So yeah, YouTube channel is basically been converted to my Orbem video game stream hub, and you know, anything else I want to do in the future with it. But so far, this has been fine. Plenty of content. I think I've successfully done a short every day for like 2 months. Something crazy. Alright. Let's reset you. I don't know why I hit continue. I'm really thinking about ending stream a little, or like maybe in like an hour. Maybe giving myself a little extra time to get some sleep tonight, because I've been pretty tired lately. Just an old man. I was actually watching Lava's stream. So he's a regular on this stream. He comes in the chat. He's a data scientist student who's actually graduating soon, and he's all done with school, which is pretty cool. Oh man, I hate that. Just moving around slows my computer down. Obviously, I'm not doing very performant actions. Yeah, I was just on his stream, and I was watching his stream earlier today, and he just does the gamer stuff where he like plays games, and man, that's how you get some followers. And he's got a buttload of followers on TikTok too. I don't know how he does it. I've officially, I'll announce it here. I might post something on TikTok or on YouTube, but I've officially given up on TikTok. You know, it doesn't take a lot of time, but it takes some time for me to take my shorts and upload them to TikTok. And I get 0 interaction or views there. You know, I started following some people that I thought were similar and that I liked their content, and I started liking some of their stuff, and that did help. It got me more followers, and I think some of those are just follow backs, but it by no means got me more views. I mean, I'm still having shorts go out there with 0 views, and most of the views are coming from the same people. So yeah, it's just not worth it. I don't like TikTok anyways. Like, I don't like the content. I don't like the energy. I know I'm 35. I'm too old for TikTok, but I don't get it. I don't get the appeal of the content. I mean, most of the stuff that I do like that's on TikTok is also on YouTube Shorts, and I like YouTube's UI better. You know, I'm more familiar with it. And as far as my own content, YouTube is way more performant, like hands down. I'm averaging 450 views on every short, and you know, it keeps growing over time as people keep discovering it. And yeah, I'm up to 55 subscribers, which, you know, is fantastic. One issue I'm having right now is with the Shorts live stream, it doesn't allow me to stream from my phone. It still says that I need 50 subscribers even though I already have 55, which is really weird. But yeah, I'm not quite sure about that one, but yeah, regardless, YouTube is that's where I'm going to put my focus. You know, maybe I'll post some things on Instagram every now and then, or Facebook. It's not hard. But those don't get me any interactions. It's just to have more, I don't know, link backs or some shit. Okay. So database should be clean now. It is. So let's first equip. That did not work. Fuck. Alright, doesn't like what I did. Doesn't have the error in hand. Boop. Here we go. Cannot access blah 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 blah. Type string on string. Wait, did it say can't access string on string? Wait, where is this? What the fuck? File. Class Explorer. Okay, so my guess is item ID is coming in as a string. No, we can't. Oh shit. Whoops. I guess I forgot to change the instances that I updated the name on. Stupid. Stupid American. That's me, man. Stupid American. Okay. Item ID. Good, good, good. Alright, should work now. I wonder if it'll just work. That's always iffy for me. Okay, yeah, it just works. Okay. So let's equip. Wait. Equip. It did the same thing. Okay, hold on. What the fuck? My computer exploded. Help! What the hell? Okay, very cool. I completely destroyed everything. What the fuck, dude? What did I do? What did I type wrong? I don't even know. Why? Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? It's not even erroring out. It's just not loading the new area. Default map is gone. Okay, what did I do wrong? Hold on. Buh. I don't know. I don't know. A little frustrated. Alright. Well, let's at least see. Okay, here we go. Can I access offset of type string on string in Explorer Storage 3. Ah. Ah. Wait. What? This. Where's storage item. This. What is storage? Oh, so yeah, it's like my item menu. Nothing's changed though. Oh. Yeah. Does it not have a subtype maybe? Or is this a string? Is that what it's telling me? It sure as fuck is not a string. It sure as fuck is a string. Or it's empty. Okay, that's good to know. So we'll just have to do this. Alright, one more time. Boop. Boop. Still don't work. Boop. I hate when that happens. You all know I hate that. What? Alright, this whole fucking site is fucking with me now. Cannot access offset of type string on string. Meaning it sees this as a string. It was 30, right? Yeah. Oh, is array. Is that why? It's seeing a string at in a string. Oh. Okay, so I need to first check if this exists. That. Okay, if on empty. False. Equals enter. Okay. Should that get rid of here? Yes, that fixed it. Yeah, well, what the fuck was I doing before that? Okay, let's equip. It did jack shit. Oh, come on, dude. What is going on with this internal server error? Cannot access driver forever. Okay, it's the same shit. So I need to check if shit exists. Maybe it's this. Because there's nothing. Okay, so it's empty. True equals empty. Wait, does it have a number? I know it doesn't. What line? I wish it would tell me. I mean, not line. Yeah, yeah, what line? Oh, line 2 at 225. Here we go. So this one. Wait, what? That makes no fucking sense. String. The effect type? Oh, it's a string on string. Current equipped. It has to be current equipped. So that equals empty. Okay, but this can't not exist. Alright, hold on. Right, this has to exist. Okay. So yeah, this needs to exist first. And I'm dumb. because it's defaulting to an empty string. So if anything, I just need to make sure it doesn't equal an empty string. Yeah, okay. And this one's to be empty. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. Okay. Fucking false. God damn it. What now? What the fuck do you mean? Line 225 in 5. It's like it's just not listening to me. Class Explorer. 225. What the fuck is that? How is this even getting here? Logic doesn't make sense. Come on. No response. Bitch. Meaning this thing get ahead? That would be impossible. Where did the internal server error come from then? Cannot 226. Wait, what? So is it gonna give me a var number or what? Yeah, okay, let's grab it up here, I guess. Okay. Now let's see where this takes us. String empty. Well, the fuck. So it exists, it's just a string. Okay, does not equal wall. So I'm just gonna make this womp. Womp. And then womp. And let's try it now. Nope. I screwed up. I don't need you. Go. 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 And test. And equip. It worked. But it did not fucking change this. Why, dude? Why is this breaking all of a sudden? Makes no goddamn sense. Like, what did I do to break this shit? That's crazy. Nothing. Not even trying. I bet it's safe to the database. Nope. Empty. What the fuck? Why is this coming? Okay, I get that it's empty to start. But the whole point is equipping it. Wait, what? Oh. No, see, this does have to get through. But I can't do this. This really needs to be like this. False equals empty. That includes empty strings. Alright, let's give it a shot. This might work. First try. Alright, come on. Work. Okay, did it at least work in the database? It did. Let's add another one. Fuck me. It did not work. Unless I just added the same one. Let's see. Nope. That one's equipped, that one's not. And it won't fucking work. Why not? Let's find out. Because why would anything work? Good question. 200. Response good. Looks good. And does nothing. Does jack fucking shit. Let's see. Oh my god. Okay. False. True. No. No. Why am I doing that? That's not what I want. That's not what I want. This is not what I want. I need to do an array search. No. An array. Yeah. I need to do that whole array search bullshit. Not in array. Yeah. In array. Here we go. I need this. I need all of this. Okay, so I need this. So as long as this is new, we already know that this is good, but current equip. And then the effect type. Okay. And then right? Is that right? Or is it supposed to be an array? No, that should be right, I guess. Yeah, okay. Wait, subtype. What? What the fuck do I need subtype for? Oh, that's just to get the type. Shit. The effects type. This is current equipped. Okay. I don't need this per se. Wait. Am I going to for each this shit? No, because I have the item ID already. But I gotta check if it's in the current. This all looks good. So I basically need to put you in here, right? And then you in here. Okay. I don't know. This might work. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna leave. Out of spite. Oh, looky there. We got something. Alright, let's try to add the other one. Which worked before. Should work again. Went through. Oh, and it looked like it worked. It added 130. Good. Did it add to the database correctly? Still not adding it to the database correctly. Fuck. Alright, I give up for tonight. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I feel like that should help. And I worked a lot on the book again too, so my brain's fried. But yeah, hey. Come join me. Really appreciate when people come in and chat with me. I know watching the game development might be interesting and it's fun, but you know, it's a lot of fun having conversations too, so come to me. It's not the weirdest time in the world for devs to be up and just hanging out. I mean, you could even be working and just have me on in the background, you know, and chat with me. Just treat me like a buddy on Slack. That's me, your buddy on Slack. So, yeah, I'm going to head out and get some sleep, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Let's fix this shit tomorrow. I want to be done with the modifier thing. All we need to do is make sure that both equip and unequip, and it shows up when you know, without having to refresh the screen. Can that be so hard? Apparently it can. But yeah, I will